Hi folks, welcome to beautiful Junction City. We're here at Guaranty RV. This is one of our nice pre-owned units that we got, and it's a 2018 Jayco. It's a 2.3 RBM unit, and it's in great condition. It's got a power tongue jack, the extra size propane tanks. This little unit has little storage compartments on each side, one like this and then one over on the other side. It's got a big beautiful power awning, double axle with Goodyear tires. And let's walk in and take a look at this gem. It's gorgeous. Nice little corner shower bath. Lots of room. Nice skylight in there and vent. And if you shut that door, or not, there's a nice storage closet behind you here I want to point out, if we can get it in there. Huge, huge storage. Now those shelves can pop out of there if you want to hang something in there, which is nice. Then we'll walk in here into the galley. We got double sinks, lots of counter space, nice little table that you could actually slide over here if you needed that extra table space. So that's a nice big U-shaped booth. And this is a Murphy bed unit. So that couch flips up, this wall comes down, and that's your bed and your sleeping area. And this is a great unit for a couple that wants to utilize some extra space on a smaller trailer. Nice big fantastic fan in the middle. You got your TV bracket here. You just need a TV for it. You're ready to go. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other pre-owned unit we have here at Guaranty, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.